Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Pilates arm workout for you using a loop band. So when you're ready, go ahead and grab a band and your mat and let's get started. So we're going to start with the band around the wrists, coming onto hands and knees. Hands should be shoulder width apart, keeping just a bit of tension on the band here. Start with your shoulders stacked directly over your wrists. Then from here, bring your hands forward about one hand length and sit your hips back into a child's pose. Take a deep breath in and exhale, let it out. On your next breath in, come back up to hands and knees, then shift your weight forwards to stack your shoulders over your wrists. Then bend the elbows coming into a push-up, push back up, and then sit the hips back into child's pose. Inhale, coming forwards, bend your elbows, push up. Exhale, push back up through your arms and send your hips back. Inhale, coming forwards, bend the elbows, pushing up. Exhale, hips go back. Again, coming forwards, bend your elbows. Exhale, pushing back. So again, you should still have a little bit of tension on the band here with the distance between your hands. As you bend the elbows, bring them about 45 degrees away from your body, getting a stretch through your chest and then using your chest muscles to push yourself up. Let's just do two more here. Last one. And pushing back, hold your child's pose. Take a deep breath in. And then exhale, roll up to kneeling. Lift your hips off your heels. Reach your arms in front of you, palms up. Exhale, bend your elbows. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, lower. Inhale, extend the arms. Exhale, bend. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, lower to shoulder height. Inhale, extend. So coming into a bicep curl plus an arm reach. Inhaling and exhaling on each movement. Keep your arms lifted. Don't let them drop too low. You should feel your biceps working, the front of your shoulder working. Just one more here. Then keep your arms up. Flip your palms forwards now, still with the band on your wrist, and gently pull the band apart as you start to lower the arms down. So little pulses in and out of the hands on the band, lowering all the way down and then all the way back up. So pulling out, little nice controlled pulses into the band, working your shoulders. Keep your shoulder blades back. Then hold your arms up here. Go ahead and grip the inside of the band with your palms facing out. Inhale to prepare, then exhale, pull the right arm down as you rotate the palm in, and inhale, reach back up, rotate the palm out. Exhale, pulling down, rotate in. Inhale, back up. Exhale, pull. Inhale, back up. So working into your lats here. Let's go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switching sides. Go ahead and rotate your left palm in as you pull the elbow down. Inhale, reach. Exhale, pull. Inhale, reach. Exhale, pull. Keep going here, keeping your left shoulder away from your left ear. Let's go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms back up and then lower them down. Now go ahead and hold the band in front of your breastbone with the left hand on top of the right. Take a breath in to prepare. Then exhale, extend your right arm. Inhale, bend. Exhale, extend. Bend, extend, bend, extend. So now working into your right triceps. Last 5, 4, 3, almost done. Keep your upper arm stable. Last one. And then switching sides, bring your right hand over the left one. Inhale to prepare, and exhale, pull down with your left hand to straighten the left arm. Inhale, bend. Exhale, extend. Inhale, bend. Gripping that band tightly. Again, upper arm is stable. Keep the shoulder down. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Back up. Now go ahead and grip the band. Reach your arms forwards, making a fist. Palms down. Sit your hips back onto your heels. And we'll come into a bow and arrow movement. So pulling the right arm in as you rotate the palm in, drive the elbow back and twist to your right, still reaching the left arm forwards. Inhale back and repeat same side. Exhale, pull back. Inhale, reach. Exhale, pull back. Inhale, reach. Really think of moving through your chest, through your rib cage. Obliques working to twist the breastbone to the right. Squeezing your shoulder blades back as you twist. Last 2. Last 1. We're almost done here. Go ahead and switch sides. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, pull the left elbow back and twist. Inhale, reach. Exhale, pull back, twist. Inhale, reach. Keep moving. Reaching the breastbone forwards and then turning the breastbone to the left. Make sure your forearm stays parallel with the floor. Wrist strong, so don't bend either wrist here. Last 3, 2, last 1, and then reach forward, lower the arms down, bring the hands behind you and place the band around your wrists once more, fingertips back behind you, reach the chest up, gaze towards the sky. Take a deep breath here, feeling that chest stretch, arm stretch, and then exhale, let it go, and you're all done. I hope you enjoyed this quick arm workout. Don't forget to leave a like or comment down below to let me know what other props you'd like to see me use in these videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.